Good morning, students of class 12. Well, today I am going to discuss the methods of preparation of haloarenes. So please take out your chemistry exercise copy, classwork copy, and start writing down whatever I have written. The first method that we are going to discuss is direct halogenation of aromatic ring or electrophilic substitution of arenes. Subheading nuclear halogenation. You can see twice Fe plus 3x2, x over here is halogen, gives twice FeX3. So the next reaction, benzene plus Cl2 in presence of anhydrous FeCl3, temperature 310 to 320 Kelvin, forms chlorobenzene plus HCl. Next reaction, benzene added to bromine in presence of anhydrous ferric chloride, temperature 310 to 320 Kelvin, forms bromobenzene plus HBr. Now what is the function of anhydrous FeCl3, that is anhydrous ferric chloride? Well, anhydrous ferric chloride is acting as the Lewis acid catalyst. I have written the function. The Lewis acid acts as catalyst and its function is to carry the halogen to the aromatic hydrocarbon and is also called halogen carrier. Now students, if excess of halogen is used, the second halogen also gets introduced in the ring, mainly at ortho and para positions with respect to the first halogen, because halogens are ortho-para directing groups. You can see the reaction which I have written on the board. Chlorobenzene, when added to chlorine in presence of anhydrous FeCl3, forms a mixture of ortho-dichlorobenzene and para-dichlorobenzene. Okay students, the next reaction I have given with toluene. Yes, toluene is also known as methylbenzene. Chlorination of toluene gives a mixture of ortho and para-chlorotoluene because CH3 group in toluene is ortho and para directing. So toluene, when added to Cl2 in presence of anhydrous FeCl3, forms a mixture of orthochlorotoluene and para-chlorotoluene. Okay students, this is a new method from diazonium salts. The method that we are going to employ is Sandmeyer reaction. Well, I would like to remind that Sandmeyer reaction is a very important name reaction. In your examination, you also get to write short notes on name reaction, and especially Sandmeyer reaction, which is, as I told you, a very important name reaction. So let's begin. The benzene diazonium salts required for this purpose are prepared by treating ice cold solution of aniline in excess of dilute HCl with an aqueous solution of sodium nitrite at 273 to 278 Kelvin, that means 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. This method is also known as diazotization reaction. So you see the equations which I have written. Sodium nitrite NaNO2 plus HCl forms NaCl plus nitrous acid. Yes, HONO or HNO2 means nitrous acid. Now children, you will ask me that, sir, why are we preparing nitrous acid like this? For example, when we carry out a reaction using HCl or HNO3 or H2SO4, we don't need to prepare HCl or H2SO4 or HNO3. It is because sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid are stable, but nitrous acid is not stable. Yes, nitrous acid, when exposed to air and light for a long time, might get oxidized to nitric acid. So we have to prepare nitrous acid like this. NaNO2 plus HCl gives NaCl plus HNO2. HNO2 produced in the reaction reacts with aniline in presence of HCl and at a temperature of 273 to 278 Kelvin to form benzene diazonium chloride. Yes, C6H5N2 plus Cl minus and H2O. Alright students, now I will show you how aryl halides can be prepared by using benzene diazonium salt. You see, the benzene diazonium salt is used for preparing aryl halides as follows. Benzene diazonium chloride, when treated with cuprous chloride in presence of hydrogen chloride, will form chlorobenzene plus N2. Next, benzene diazonium chloride, that is C6H5N2 plus Cl minus, when treated with cuprous bromide in presence of hydrogen bromide, will form a mixture of bromobenzene and nitrogen. However, for preparing iodoarenes, replacement of the diazonium group by iodine does not require the presence of cuprous halides and is done simply by shaking the diazonium salt solution with aqueous Ki solution. Alright students, now I will show you how fluorobenzenes are prepared. Now fluorobenzenes are prepared by treating benzene diazonium chloride with fluoroboric acid. The formula is HBF4. This reaction produces diazonium fluoroborate, which on being heated produces fluorobenzene. The reaction is given: benzene diazonium chloride treated with fluoroboric acid in presence at a temperature of 273 to 278 Kelvin to form diazonium fluoroborate, which on being heated produces fluorobenzene C6H5F plus N2 plus BF3. Now this reaction is called Bols-Skiemann reaction. Alright students, now I have discussed two name reactions. Both of these reactions are very important. The first one is Gattermann reaction. You can see what is happening in Gattermann reaction. Well, let me tell you something about Gattermann reaction. Haloarenes, particularly chloroarenes and bromoarenes, are prepared by Gattermann reaction, which is actually a modification of Sandmeyer reaction. The Sandmeyer reaction has been modified by using copper powder in presence of corresponding halogen acid, that is HCl or HBr, in presence of cuprous halide dissolved in corresponding halogen acid. Next, from silver salts of aromatic acids, which is also known as Hunstedter reaction. So like alkyl bromides, aryl bromides can also be prepared by refluxing the silver salt of aromatic acids with bromine in CCl4. Please copy down these reactions which I have written on the board. Now I am going to discuss commercial preparation of chlorobenzene, which is also known as Rastrich's process. So here what we do actually, chlorobenzene is prepared commercially by passing a mixture of benzene vapors, air and hydrogen chloride over heated cupric chloride. So this reaction is known as Rastrich's process. Thank you students.